Hello everyone. In this video we are going to cover why retargeting is important and how you can use retargeting to build an authority, build a brand mainly. So I'll tell you a unique strategy that you can use, and this strategy alone has given boost in the conversion rate for some of my clients. I've used it for like many clients, and almost most of them have got very good response. So if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, make sure you subscribe it, because we are updating these daily vlogs, and today we are going to talk about this retargeting strategy that is going to help you boost the conversion rate and build the brand in the mind of your prospects. So let's say if someone visited your website and you have Facebook pixel code installed on your website. Now Facebook pixel code, every ads manager, like every ad account has their own Facebook pixel code. So you just tell your developer to install it. It's a JavaScript code, or you can install it yourself as well if you are on WordPress or on any other platform like Lead Pages. So what you have to do is just see just create a new custom audience of all the people who visited your website in last 3 days, or any specific page if you are targeting any specific page. So people who visited the website in last 3 days, you have to create a new custom audience for that. And then you have to create a custom audience for people who visited in last 7 days. And then you have to create custom audience of people who visited in last 11 days. So last 3 days, last 7 days, last 11 days. Now what you have to do, all the people who visited in last 3 days, you show to them an overview about your company, a message from the founder. It can be in the form of blog, it can be in a form of PDF file, or it can be a video as well, or maybe a carousel ad. So so you'll be adding things like maybe what your customers think about your products and services, why you started this company, what was the main pain that were there when you were starting this company. So I was actually recording the Hindi vlog as well, so I gave an example of a hospital. So for example, maybe you are working with a client who has their own hospital, so you are promoting that hospital. So it might be a case that the founder, the person who started the hospital, there might be some relative who was not treated well in some other hospital, so that's why he thought to started his own hospital. So you can make people emotional by telling them a story about why you started this company. So maybe things like if you are running your own software company or marketing agency, you can tell them that I was working in a software company and I saw the casual approach of other employees and my colleagues towards the clients, but I wanted my work to be very perfect. So that's why I thought to start my own company, so that my work doesn't suffer and the people we hire, they care about clients. So we have that kind of work culture. So when you connect your prospect and tell them a meaningful thing that can be related to them, because in the case of hospital, the prospective patient will connect with you. In case of because they know that you care about patients so much. In case of the software agency or marketing company, the prospective client will connect with you because they'll think that, hey, this person is going to think that it's his own work, his employees are going to think that it's his own work, so let me get the work done from him. So in the first 3 days, just show an overview, vision of the company, why you started, basic things, some testimonials if you wanna show, but don't focus that much on testimonial in first 3 days, because we'll do that after that. Now all the people who visited in last 7 days, just add that inside your ad set and exclude the first 3 days people. So you will get the remaining people which are from 4 to 7. So now what you have to do is you can show them a new ad that is about description of your products and services. Maybe if you are a hospital, you can tell them about all the treatment options, all the facilities like availability of all the facilities. Do you provide any private room as well, or what kind of support you provide to the family members who come and visit and see their relative. And then if you are a marketing agency, you can also show them that, hey, we provide these kind of reports to our clients, and we are open to do we do brainstorming with our clients every week. We find the ideal customer avatar. So all sort of things which can be important for your clients. So just show them the process. The next thing is, after 7th day, like 8th to 11th day, you pitch them for your service, you pitch them for your product, you give them some offer, some discount, some free consultation. So when you do this thing, the brand gets built in the mind of your prospect. So once the brand is built, it is very easy to sell, because in last 11 days they might have seen your ads 2 or 3 times, and they might have read your blogs, they might have seen your video, they might have like even interacted with your post, or they might have sent you a message on Facebook. So then once you are going to pitch them, maybe depending upon, are you into B2C or are you into B2B. So once you pitch them, it will be very easy to close those people. And now retargeting is very cost effective, because here you are dealing with small pocket of people. Maybe you are retargeting 200 people, 300 people, so you won't be spending that much amount of money. So don't worry about that. Even if you spend 10 rupees per click or 20 rupees per click on 100 people, it's only 2000 rupees. So in 2000 rupees, you are getting clicks from 100 people who are already the warm lead. So out of 100 people, maybe you convert five people, and then depending upon your margins, you can invest more in Facebook ads. So you can do retargeting on Facebook, you can do retargeting on AdRoll, on Google Ads, on Bing, everywhere. You can do it on even YouTube and Gmail as well. So I would encourage, I definitely encourage you to use this retargeting strategy, because it is going to be amazing. It is going to boost your conversion rate. It is going to build the brand in the mind. Now, what is brand? Brand is something that you can recognize. It can be a negative or positive in your mind. So a brand can be negative and positive as well. But I'll say that build a positive brand, so that people remember that, okay, this company is good, we have to work with them. So in this vlog, we have covered this retargeting thing, and make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, because we are going to upload these digital marketing vlogs for you. You can watch it while driving your car, maybe while sleeping. You can like even listen to it. No need to put on the video as well, because the thing is, I want you to be more productive in terms of marketing. So just listen to these vlogs regularly, and you will be in the next level in terms of marketing. And also I would encourage you to join our paid courses as well. I'll put in the description below the links to join the courses. And if you are not on our email list, if you are not part of our laptop lifestylers community, then I'll drop the link for that as well, so that you can join our community. We have more than 20,000 members, and you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Rajat Ghai DM. And if you want to connect with me on LinkedIn, you can also connect with me on LinkedIn on same Rajat Ghai DM username. So guys, it was all about retargeting. I'll see you in the third vlog. Thank you for watching.